Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And as you guys seen by that title, I am going to be doing a style with this headband wig. So before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That'll really help my channel. That'll really help my videos keep getting pushed out so that we can build a community. And that also motivates me to keep putting videos out because I see that you guys like them. I see that you're subscribing and engaging in my videos. So as y'all seen in the thumbnail, the look that I'm going for is kind of like a wash and go look with some bangs. At first, I was going to do like a middle part and just have it look like a wash and go, but instead I decided to do a little bit of bangs just because the front of my hair is a little bit shorter right now since I cut it. Probably can't tell, but it's definitely shorter than what it was before because I did cut it, but it did grow back because of my hair growth oil, which I'll be selling very soon. But I'm just parting my hair I'm actually parting the middle section, and then I'm parting the two sides, and just enough hair that can just flow down to cover up the headband itself. Alright, so next I'm going to just put this back section into a ponytail. Honestly, the hair is so poofy and curly that you won't be able to even see or tell that there's like a bump in the back. And then I'm just putting my wig cap over, and you won't be able to tell what color the wig cap is because the entire wig will cover the entire back section. And just to secure my wig cap on and make sure it doesn't slip, I'm just putting two bobby pins on each side, and then for the back, my ponytail actually secures it so that the cap doesn't slip off or slip up. Now this is what the wig looks like, y'all. I know it looks a mess. It's been inside the wig bag for a while now, but we're about to put it into action. This is actually a really good wig. I did about like 4 different styles with this wig, and I've worn it multiple times and it still looks good. All you got to do is put a little bit of water on it and it bounces back. I got this wig from AliExpress. I'll try to leave the link in the description, and if not, I actually have a few hairstyles that I did with this wig also. If you want to check that out, you can go to those videos and also get the link from those videos as well. But this wig comes with 4 clips, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and then it comes with 2 attachments on the wig itself. But to apply it to my head, I'm just using that top middle clip, clipping it onto the middle of my head, and then self-explanatory, just going ahead and clipping the other clips onto my head as well. From here, I'm just going to tuck the headband in as much as possible. So I'm working on the front section of my hair now. I'm just wetting it. Obviously, you want to wet your hair to match it so that it can match the texture of the wig. The product that I am using is the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. It's the Jamacian Castro one. I love this one. And just to give y'all a little heads up before we really get into it, trust the process, y'all, because my hair is a little lighter than the wig. At the end, you guys will see that everything came together, but when I was doing this at first, I was like, is this even gonna match my hair? But after I let my hair dry and everything set in, it was perfect. As you guys seen a couple seconds ago, I applied some of that Eco Styler gel onto my hair, and now I'm kind of just doing finger coils with my hair. Eventually, I realized that I didn't need to do that. I just needed to finger comb my hair for my curls to become defined.
Bring that ass over, doors you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you wanna act, take a look. With the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. Tell me don't. With no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
Like I had mentioned in the beginning of the video, I intended to do a middle part, but once I actually realized that it looked much cuter to have bangs, I just decided to go with that. So it's clear that my hair is not the same color, or at least it's clear right here that my hair is not the same color as the wig. But let me tell y'all, once my hair actually dried and the product kind of just went away, like the color of the product went away, you really couldn't even tell the difference between my real hair and the wig. But what I'm doing here is basically just trying to make this look as realistic as possible. So I'm kind of twirling my hair with the wig hair and just really playing with it. And then when I was playing with it, I kind of came to the conclusion that I'm gonna do some bangs. So the process can go a lot quicker. I just decided to get the blow dryer and dry my hair. As you guys can see, it's already starting to blend. This is pretty much the final look. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like my real hair. Y'all can't tell me my hair is not blending with this wig. Like, come on. Hey, hey. But no, for real, y'all. Like, this is so cute. It's pretty apparent that I'm feeling myself. I actually just came up with this hairstyle. I didn't even know that I could do this with a headband wig. Like, this is a headband wig, y'all. This is not a U part wig. This is not a V part wig. This is a wig that comes with a headband. And I covered that. I made this look like my real hair. And I did that. And I want to see some of y'all do that. Y'all know I always have to complete the look. I actually have lip liner on, so I'm gonna just go in with my pink nudish lipstick and just apply it on to give it a solid foundation, just to basically bring the whole look together. I don't know what I'm talking about, a solid foundation, but just to bring the whole look together. Like, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. But yeah, y'all, that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm about to pose, 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 pose. Y'all know I'm feeling myself though, and I'm sorry, I might just be doing a little bit too much because I'm hype about this. But if y'all like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. We on the road to 1K, baby. We in that thing, okay, y'all? Love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.